Hi, we are Lilla Elephant.
Jag heter Peder Karlsson och jag är möbelsnickare. Nu samarbetar jag med Jesol i Lilla Elefant att ta fram prototyper på möbler som ska fungera i hemmiljö och underlätta för personer som använder rullstol.
My name is Jesol. I'm an industrial designer based in Sweden. I started this project because since I haven't experienced difficulties in a daily basis as a wheelchair user. At home, there are many of the furniture on the market is not suitable for me. For example, the clothing hanger is too high and I always bump to the edge of the furniture. It limits me using it. So as a designer, I would like to solve this kind of problem with the design. Beyond the Freedom is the furniture design collection that makes people's lives easier and more beautiful. In the exhibition, the dining table, tea table, wardrobe, and the cabinet will be shown. We hope this exhibition inspires you and broadens your perspective.